Welcome to our lesson on solid geometry. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of three-dimensional figures. Unlike the flat shapes drawn on paper, these objects have length, width, and height, making them solid and substantial. So, what exactly defines a three-dimensional, or 3D, figure? The key difference lies in the dimensions. While a two-dimensional shape like a square is flat, a three-dimensional figure, like a cube, occupies space. It possesses three distinct measurements: length, width, and height. To understand these shapes, we need to know their parts. A face is any flat surface on the figure. An edge is the line segment where two faces meet, and a vertex, or plural vertices, is the corner point where three or more edges come together. Let's look at a common family of shapes called prisms. A cube is a special prism with 6 identical square faces. A rectangular prism is similar, like a shoebox or a brick, where the faces are rectangles. In a prism, the opposite faces are always identical and parallel. Next, we have pyramids. A pyramid is defined by its base and triangular faces that all meet at a single point at the top, called the apex. The most common type is the square-based pyramid, similar to the famous pyramids in Egypt. Now, let's look at curved figures. A cylinder has 2 identical circular bases connected by a curved surface. Think of a soda can or a battery. Notice that a cylinder has no sharp corners or vertices. A cone is another curved figure. It has a single circular base and narrows smoothly up to a sharp point called the apex. You see this shape often in ice cream cones or traffic cones. A sphere is perhaps the most perfect shape. It is a perfectly round solid, like a ball. Every single point on its surface is the exact same distance from the center. It has no faces, no edges, and no vertices. When measuring 3D figures, we look at 2 things. Surface area is the total area of the outside, like how much paper you need to wrap a gift. Volume is the amount of space inside, like how much water you need to fill a tank. Geometry is everywhere around us. Dice and boxes are cubes, batteries and pipes are cylinders, basketballs and oranges are spheres, and party hats are cones. Recognizing these shapes in the real world helps us understand the math behind them.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.